So last year I went to Dubai on work, and when in Dubai, you do what most visitors do, you shop. After walking around every mall in the city, the only thing that I wanted was the Galaxy Fold phone. And I was in love. I bought one at the airport as I was stepping into my flight, tore through the packaging, started it up, and loved it some more. Fast forward 5 months, and I managed to stab this delicate inside screen with a nail. And boy, is that a long story. Then started the long saga of sending the phone back to Dubai for fixing it, under warranty of course, and then waiting for it to come back. For the geeks amongst us, waiting is the worst part. So like any other normal human, I couldn't wait to get my original Fold back and went ahead and bought the Fold 2. Well, I won't bore you with the specs. They are there in the description if you want it. But the Fold 2 was a significant update to the original Fold. It's so beautiful to touch and use and experience that I went ahead and got it in a second color too. So yes, I do have 3 of them and I love them all. So why do I love the Fold? Besides its unique form factor, I do believe that this is the future of mobile devices. It's easy to hold in one hand. I do have normal size hands. And I don't have to stretch to reach the edges. Yes, it is taller than normal phones, and unless you have giant hands, you will need to use the other hand to touch the top corners of the phone. Another benefit of the size is that I'm never drop the Fold, as it always fits easily in one hand. The outer screen is brilliant. You can do everything you want with the outer screen as you would with a regular phone. It's the full phone experience in a narrower package. The large inner screen allows you to open multiple apps together and still gives you enough real estate to catch all the details. Samsung's brilliant display technology ensures that you see the blackest of blacks and the most brilliant colors in every image and video. Samsung did do significant improvement in the hinge between the Fold and the Fold 2. While the earlier Fold would flop around weirdly, the new model allows you to position at any angle. It's difficult to describe its usefulness, and you'll appreciate it in real-life usage. Samsung has always included the latest in camera technology in their flagship products, and I will not go into insane details like megapixel, ultra-wide cameras, OIS, night mode, etc. It's the brilliance of the folding screen that makes the camera so special. You can preview the previous shot while framing the current shot. You can use the front screen as a viewfinder while using the rear camera for the shot. And you can easily prop the phone and use the exceptional hinge to frame your shot. Okay, it's not a party all around. Remember, this is one of the most delicate phones in the market today. If you're going to use it as a daily driver, keep it away from water, dust, and of course sharp objects. Also, don't give it to your children or to a clumsy adult. They will break it and you will cry. If you're someone who likes to upgrade their phones every year, once you get a Fold, chances are you won't. Not because you love it so much, because we all have only 2 kidneys. Foldables are the future, and the technology will improve by leaps and bounds over the next few years. With every iteration, the device will get more refined, thinner, stronger, and more versatile. There's already talk of the Fold 3, and I know there are quite a few leaks that are out there. You can choose to ride the wave now or wait till it gets to a maturity level, which makes it more affordable to buy, own, and abuse. For now, I love my Fold, and I'll definitely buy the new one when that comes out.